Nature at its best. Best choice to watch nature standing on man-made roads. For a nature lover, the Ghat is just a package of unlimited natural beauty, the real beauty. Not only natural beauty, but this Ghats also provides shelter to various animals and birds. The Ghat is known for its visual beauty is the Charmadi Ghat. Charmadi Ghat is one among the many western Ghats that are known for its outstanding scenery. In order to get to the Ettina Bhuja, one has to walk through the forest. As it is a reserve forest managed by the forest department, they charge from 150 to 200 rupees. Precautions should be exercised where are Jains and during the rainy season. Trekking inside the forest is the most thrilling part of the trek. The birds calling in the background and the leaf rustling in the wind. You will notice a sudden change in the surrounding as soon as you enter the forest. It is not difficult to reach here, as it is a well-known trekking destination. The locals call it as Shishila Hills. This is called Ettina Bhuja, the shoulder of the ox, because it has the shape of ox shoulder. It is stretched about 25 kilometers from Kottigehara of Chikmagaluru to Charmadi at Dakshina Kannada district. Ettina Bhuja is one such mountain that is a part of Charmadi range at an altitude of 4,265 feet. It is situated at Mudigere taluk of Chikkamagalur. It is 251 kilometers from Bangalore and 180 kilometers from Mysore in the distance and 25 kilometers from Mudigere. It is better to live early in the morning staying in SAKLESHPUR or Mudigere. Otherwise, there is no need to stay as there is a resort and homestays around Ettina Bhuja. It is also included in the trip package for resort and homestay. Since there is no Google Map location, it is advisable to ask locals. The nearby hill Bhairaveshwara and the Devaramane is a great place for truckers and those seeking peace of mind. Since there is no hotels and shops around the Ettina Bhuja, it is advisable to make all arrangements before leaving. Monsoon and winter is best time to visit. All the surrounding hills make the viewer romantic. Standing in the middle of the 9 hills, the Ettina Bhuja is like something on an island. For nature lovers, the experience of riding to the sky is a must. There is 2 viewpoints on the Ettina Bhuja, which first gets through the forest and then up a little. From there, you should go ahead and climb the shoulder-shaped hill. This is the last and second viewpoint. That is where the true paradise is experienced. A panoramic view of the hill while sunny and the view of nature, standing amid all the snow, make the visitor feel like floating in the sky. Mountains surrounded by trees, mist falling like rain, and the mountain ridges create a wonderful outer world. The way to Ettina Bhuja's second viewpoint is very short. It is a bit hard to climb with stones and shrink holes, but I'm sure it gives you a beautiful experience. It is open from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. for visiting, and it is well worth the trip. It's better to go in groups. If you'd like to feel nature, better to walk through. A must visit for nature lovers. The heaven of earth.